Good morning and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for standing by, and welcome to Yunji's fourth quarter 2022 earnings conference call. With us today are Mr. Shanglue Xiao, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Peng Zong, Vice President of Finance, and Ms. Kay Liu, Investor Relations Director of the company. As a reminder, this conference call is being recorded. Now I would like to hand the conference over to our first speaker today, Ms. Kay Liu, IRD of Yunji. Please go ahead, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fourth quarter 2022 earnings call. Before we start, please note that this call will contain forward-looking statements within the meaning of the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995 that are based on our current expectations and current market operating conditions and relate to events that involve known or unknown risks, uncertainties, and other factors of Yunji and its industry. These forward-looking statements can be identified by terminology such as will, expect, anticipate, continued, or other similar expressions. For a detailed discussion of these risks and uncertainties, please refer to our related document filed with the US SEC. Any forward-looking statement that we make on this call are based on assumptions as of today and expressly qualified entirely by cautionary statement, risk factors, and details of the company filing with SEC. Yunji do not undertake any obligation to update this statement except as required under applicable law. With that, I will now turn over to Shanglue Xiao, Chairman and CEO of Yunji.
大家好，欢迎来到云集2022年第四季度的财报电话会。
Hello everyone, welcome to Yunji's fourth quarter 2022 earnings call.
今年第四季度，由于疫情政策的重大调整，公司面临了一些挑战。首先是10月到11月严防死守的订单的损失，而在12月，疫情的爆发和物流缺工问题使得订单的及时交付受到一定的影响。目前我们整体的环境有复苏的迹象，但是收入和消费力复苏仍存在一些不确定的因素。我们的成本结构非常灵活，可以应对低迷的市场。同时在市场复苏时，我们也已经做好了充分的准备。因此我们对未来的发展保持谨慎乐观的态度。
During the fourth quarter, we successfully weathered the challenges posed by COVID-related restrictions and the subsequent easing of these measures. In October and November, COVID controls exerted downward pressure on our order volume. Then in December, our order fulfillment capabilities were negatively impacted as the country battled a surge in COVID cases. Although we have observed signs of a broader micro stabilization and recovery, there remain some lingering weaknesses in household income and private consumption. Nevertheless, we are confident that our optimized cost structure will enable us to navigate through the market downturn with agility and flexibility. At the same time, our enhanced capabilities and business resilience leave us well positioned to seize opportunities when the market recovers. Fortified by these solid foundations, we remain cautiously optimistic as we look to the future.
总结这一年跌宕起伏的一年，公司在产品端和营销端方面都进行了更多的尝试。我们在大健康领域推出了一系列的新产品，涵盖轻、滋、养3个维度，以满足消费者的不同的需求。这些新品的研发和生产均以高品质、健康、天然为出发点，赢得了消费者的青睐。多款新品单场销售额均破千万，云集大健康心智逐渐的成型。
I'd like to summarize this year of an ups and downs. During 2022, we continue to iterate our initiatives on both the product and marketing sides. For our healthcare brand, we introduced a wide array of fresh offerings covering weight management, skincare, and body revitalization, allowing us to better meet diverse consumer needs. The driving force behind our R&D and production processes was a focus on creating high quality, healthy, and natural products. Our efforts were extremely well received by our users, with several of the new products each generating over 10 million RMB in sales during a single sales event. Driven by these unique and innovative offerings, user mindset of Yunji Healthcare continues to gradually form.
在护肤品牌素业方面，公司在内容营销和自有品牌宣传方面做了新的尝试，加强了品牌在公域的推广。我们利用社交媒体和自身社群，通过有趣有用的内容与用户互动，进一步提升了品牌的影响力和用户体验。
Turning to our skincare brand Suyan, by refreshing and refocusing our content marketing and private label brand promotion initiatives, we further developed and strengthened the brand through public traffic. Leveraging social media and our own user community, we boosted user interaction by generating attention-grabbing, helpful content, thereby further enhancing user experience and our brand's reach.
在供应链方面，公司推出了云集精选品质认证计划，认证主要针对美食品类，是云集美食战略的重要一环。经历1年的积累，涌现出了多款深受用户爱戴和复购的商品。我们的2022全年的复购率也达到了81.8%。
For our highly curated product selection, we successfully launched our upgraded Yunji Selected Quality Certification System, an integral component of our gourmet Yunji strategy. With its main focus on gourmet food category, the stringent certification assures consumers that products are of the highest quality. 1 year after the system's launch, our platform has accumulated a wide range of well-loved products that are regularly repurchased by our users. Powered by these flagship Yunji Selected certified products, our repurchase rate reached an impressive 81.8% in 2022.
在营销方面，公司不断创新和完善垂直社群服务体验，并推出增值的服务，如提升更专业的健康咨询和营养建议，增加会员福利，以提高消费者忠诚度和满意度。此外，公司从图文升级到短视频为主的表达方式，飞快裂变出大量高质量的内容素材，并开发方便的分享工具，让服务经理能够更高效地推广商品，提高品牌的曝光度。
Let's take a closer look at our marketing efforts. We continue to innovate on and refine our vertical community service experience. At the same time, we have launched additional value-added services. For example, we enhanced the members' perks by providing them with professional health information and nutritional advice, boosting their loyalty and satisfaction. Building on this, we upgraded our consumer marketing tool from graphical marketing content to a short video format, generating exponential growth in high-quality content. By integrating these tools with our innovative features that make sharing more convenient, we create heightened brand exposure and allow our service managers to promote products more efficiently and accurately.
展望2023，我们的产品端和营销端也做了详细的规划。首先在产品端，我们认为现在的消费呈两极分化的趋势，越来越多的消费者开始精打细算，更多电商入局补贴战，培养出消费者的低价心智。而另一层面，精打细算意味着大家还在追求精品，追求物超所值的体验，而我们坚持自有品牌战略，就是为了给消费者提供低价以外的独特消费体验。4季度防疫措施的改变提升了消费者的健康成本，食疗和深度发掘大健康品类，增加大健康产品的粘性，成为今年自有品牌发展的重心。实际从第4季度末的销售占比来看，大健康品类的商品比重也有所增加，无论是新品还是老品都得到了消费者的认可，这是我们保持了良好的毛利率。
Looking further into 2023, we have already engaged in extensive strategic planning on both the product and marketing sides. On the product side, we are witnessing an evolving consumption trend where increasing numbers of e-commerce companies are competing in a subsidy war, cultivating consumers' mindset of purchasing low-price products. On the other hand, consumers are generally becoming more price sensitive and spending more cautiously, even as they demand higher quality products and seek value for money experiences. Against this backdrop, we are confident that our private label strategy delivers a unique consumption experience that goes beyond low prices. Following the easing of COVID-related restrictions in the fourth quarter, consumers became more health conscious and increased their spending in the health category accordingly. In line with this trend, this year we are focusing on exploring the healthcare and the nutritional therapy categories to further enhance the stickiness of our private label products. Our efforts to date have yielded positive results, with the proportion of our total sales accounted for by healthcare and products increasing. Importantly, both our legacy and newly launched products proved popular with users, helping us maintain a healthy gross margin.
之前也提到，消费力的恢复有周期性，目前主要体现在出行的恢复上。今年我们在营销渠道端的目标是增加渠道的渗透率，建立更多人与人的链接。过去的3年因为客观因素受限，我们一直无法频繁举办线下的沙龙，也有很多服务经理无法到场，这一定程度影响了心智渗透和品牌的曝光度。2月我们在长沙成功举办了100万雄兵计划线下启动会，在启动会中，除了新品的发布和预热，我本人还与许多到场的服务经理和宝妈们面对面的沟通交流。我们在进行100天的30层线下沙龙计划，激发线下活力。同时，自有品牌在公寓的扩张将新增线下体验店，希望能扩大自有品牌的知名度。
As previously mentioned, the recovery of consumption is a cyclical process, and we have seen the travel sector rebound most rapidly. On the marketing channel side, our goal for this year is to expand channel penetration and build more people-to-people connections. Over the past 3 years, external constraints prevented us from regularly holding offline promotional events. This, coupled with the limited number of sales managers able to attend these events, impacted our consumer mindset and brand exposure. As the external situation has recovered, we have resumed our program of offline marketing events. For example, in February, we successfully held a Million Sales Legend Plan offline kickoff meeting in Changsha. During the meeting, we teased and launched items from our new range of products. I also took this opportunity to have a number of fruitful one-to-one discussions with some of the service managers and mothers in attendance. At present, we are further energizing our offline marketing by running a 30 city in 100 days offline promotion campaign. At the same time, we will attract public traffic and boost awareness of our private label brands by rolling out more offline experience stores where consumers can explore and enjoy our products.
我们的服务经理规模已经达到了11万。为了更好的管理，为他们提供更方便、更及时的服务，除了公司内部渠道中心同事的大力支持以外，我们还在紧锣密鼓地开发更多好用的工具，用科技的手段助力效率的提升。
The number of our service managers has now grown to 110,000. We continuously strive to improve the management of our service managers and provide them with more convenient and timely services. As such, we are developing more handy tools and features, implementing efficiency-boosting technology, and increasing the level of support they receive internally.
2023是过渡的一年，也是充满机遇的一年。我们会陪伴消费者平稳度过疫情时代的难关，帮助服务经理抓住专业化零售的新机遇。我的分享就到这里，下面欢迎我们的财务副总裁张鹏为大家分享财务的情况。
2023 is a year of transition, but also a year full of opportunity. We will be with our customers every step of the way to help them smoothly navigate the post-pandemic era. At the same time, we will support and help our service managers to see fresh opportunities in the specialty retail industry. With that, I will turn the call over to Mr. Zhang, our Vice President of Finance, to go through the financial results.
Thank you, Shangyu. Hello, everyone. Before I go through our financial results, please note that all numbers stated in the following remarks are in RMB terms, and all comparisons and percentage changes are on a year-over-year basis unless otherwise noted. We faced a volatile macro environment during the fourth quarter, with pandemic-related restrictions in October and November, and COVID spread following their relaxation in December. Navigating through the pandemic, we gained valuable experience as we continue to refine our product selections, develop our private labels, optimize our product mix, and explore new business opportunities. Importantly, our repeat purchase rate increased to 81.8% and our gross margin increased to 40.9% during the quarter. At the same time, we adapted to the macro environment by further optimizing our cost structures and adhering to our prudent cost control strategy. Thanks to these efforts, we delivered significant efficiency improvements with our operating expenses decreasing by 22% year-over-year. Our strong cash position and healthy financial condition provide the foundations for the further development of our business. Now let's take a closer look at our financials. Total revenues were 289 million compared to 471 million a year ago. Revenues from sales of merchandise was 241 million, and revenues from our marketplace business were 43 million. This decrease was primarily due to our continuous strategy of refining our product selections across all categories and optimizing our selection of suppliers and merchants, causing near-term decrease in sales. Changes in consumers' consumption confidence and habits during the COVID-19 pandemic also contributed to the decrease. Despite these challenges, we maintained a stable gross margin at 40.9% compared to 39.6% a year ago. This was a result of sustained customer loyalty to our private labels and effective product curation strategy. Now let's take a look at our operating expenses. Fulfillment expenses were 32 million compared to 47 million a year ago. This was primarily due to reduced warehousing and logistics expenses due to lower merchandise sales. Sales and marketing expenses were 59 million compared to 78 million a year ago. This was mainly due to the reduction in personnel costs as a result of staffing structure refinements, a decrease in member management fees, and a decrease in marketplace business platform promotion expenses. Technology and content expenses were 17 million compared to 26 million a year ago. The decrease was mainly due to the reduction in personnel costs as a result of staffing structure refinements and the reduced cloud service costs. General and administrative expenses were 45 million compared to 44 million a year ago. Total operating expenses in the fourth quarter decreased to 153 million from 196 million in the same period of 2021. We recorded a loss from operation of 33 million compared to an income from operation of 4 million a year ago. Net loss was 38 million compared with net income of 58 million a year ago, while adjusted net loss was 31 million compared with adjusted net income of 71 million a year ago. Basic and diluted net loss per share attributable to ordinary shareholders were both 2 cents, compared with basic and diluted net earnings per share attributable to ordinary shareholders of 3 cents in the same period of 2021. Moving on to liquidity. As of December 31st, 2022, we had a total of 669 million in cash and cash equivalents, restricted cash and short-term investments on our balance sheet, compared to 571 million as of September 30th, 2022. During the fourth quarter, we refined our operations and optimized our working capital cash flow. Our liquid assets were sufficient to cover our payable obligations, and we did not hold any long-term bank loans or debts on our balance sheet. Looking ahead, we will continue to cultivate our range of private label products and introduce more novel offerings with strong repurchase potential and customer appeal. As we navigate through the current macro challenges, we will further refine our cost structure while exploring new opportunities driven by consumption recovery in 2023. We are confident that our resilient business model and innovative strategies will deliver long-term value to our shareholders. This concludes our prepared remarks for today. Operator, we are now ready to take questions.
Thank you. We will now begin the question and answer session. To ask a question, you may press star then one on your touch-tone phone. If you are using a speakerphone, we ask that you please pick up your handset before pressing the keys. To withdraw your question, please press star then 2. When asking a question, please state your question in Chinese first, then repeat your question in English for the convenience of everyone on the call. And our first question today comes from Ethan Yi at First Trust China. Please go ahead.
谢谢管理层，感谢 Thanks for taking my question. We see that there are several competitors in the market starting to engage in subsidy work. I'm just curious about what's Yunji's view on this, and would you consider entering the $1 billion subsidy campaign like Jingdong and Pinduoduo in the future? Thank you.
Sorry, let me quickly translate this question. 他就是现在有很多电商公司参加了百亿补贴，比如说京东和拼多多、云机，对这个有什么看法？后续有没有考虑入局这方面？
首先，现在大众消费力还在缓慢的这个复苏过程中，百亿补贴呢确实给消费者带来了实实在在的好处。我们认可百亿补贴对用户的价值。尤其是在一些手机、数码等标品品类和一些冲动消费型的产品中。
Firstly, the consumer purchasing power is still slowly recovering, and the 10 billion subsidy program can indeed bring tangible benefits to consumers. We acknowledge the value of the subsidies to consumer market, especially in some standard product categories, such as mobile phones and electronics, and some impulsive consumption scenarios.
用户对消费品的追求中价格当然是很重要的一个点，但是对于商品的品质、服务、商品独特性的需求依然非常的旺盛。
And the price is of course very important element in consumption decisions, but the demand for product quality, customer service, and product features still is quite important and strong.
云集不会做盲目的价格补贴，我们希望建立的用户心智不是云集上的商品便宜，而是云集上的商品很独特，性价比高。我们要做的不是价格方面的补贴，而是增值服务方面的补贴和商品品质方面的保障，让用户觉得我们的商品买得值得。
We don't believe in blindly subsidizing prices. Our goal is to establish a mindset among our consumers that our products are not only affordable but also unique with high quality. Rather than offering price subsidies, we focus on providing value-added services and maintaining the quality of our products so that our customers feel that their purchases are worth it.
我们更加倾向于响应政府的从高速发展往高质量发展的方向去努力。
And actually, we believe the initiatives of the government is more important. That is to have the transition from high-speed development to high-quality development.
我们在大健康、美妆和美食领域有很多自有品牌，配以专业的垂直社群进行一站式的购物营销，这让我们对于商品品质、价格和服务都有很强的成本控制能力和运营能力，为用户提供物超所值的体验。我们不需要依赖百亿补贴。
We have a variety of private labels in healthy food, beauty, and gourmet food categories, complemented by professional vertical communities for one-stop shopping and marketing. This gives us a strong cost control and operational capabilities over product quality, pricing, and services. We provide users with a high value experience without relying on 10 billion subsidy.
感谢您的提问。
Thank you for your question.
Thank you for your answer, 肖总。
And ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our question and answer session. I'd like to turn the conference back over to management for any closing remarks.
Thank you for joining us today. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any further questions, and we're looking forward to talking with you next quarter. Bye.
Thank you. This concludes today's conference call. You may now disconnect your lines and have a wonderful day.